Hello students, in the last class I have covered common ion effect, solubility product theory part and also few problems on buffers, and today we will continue problems on buffers and common ion effect solubility product. So in the multiple choice questions, question number 137, and in this case they give concentration of solution, volume, concentration of salt, there is a sodium acetate volume, acetic acid, sodium acetate, it is a acidic buffer, then diluted to 100 ml, and finally you have to find out pH value. But in other example they give direct concentration of acid and base, or sorry, concentration of acid and salt, and they are asking that pH value. But in this case, before mixing 1 m 10 ml, before mixing 0.5 m 20 ml. But after mixing these two, see what about the concentration of individual compound that you have to find out. But anyway, first we write a formula to calculate the pH of the buffer. But this is a acidic buffer. Acidic buffer. Hence you write formula pH equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. pH equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. Now see here, pKa value is given and find out pH value, but important salt concentration by acid concentration. But in this problem, these two values not given, and that you have to find out. For acetic acid, see how to find out acetic acid concentration by using the normative formula. There is a molarity formula. Acetic acid, sodium acetate, we can use normative or molarity formulas. N1V1 equal to N2V2. And before mixing, after mixing, before mixing, after mixing. Before mixing, normality or molarity, 1. Before mixing 10, then after mixing total volume, see here 10 ml acetic acid and 20 ml sodium acetate mixed in the beaker, and total volume 30, volume 30 multiplied. Therefore we get a concentration of acetic acid after mixing, then 0 0 cancel. Next N2 equal to 1 by 3, or concentration of acetic acid equal to 1 by 3 or 0.33. Similarly, we can calculate for CS3COONA, molar concentration of sodium acetate, and same formula before, after, and before volume 20 ml, molarity 0.5. After 30 ml, after mixing 20 plus 10, 30 ml, and find out normality. Therefore, concentration of sodium acetate equal to, again 0 0 cancel, and 0.5 into 2 is 1, 1 by 3, again we get same type, 1 by 3 equal to 0.33. This here I told how to calculate concentration of salt, concentration of acid. Now substitute these values here and we get answer. Okay, pK value 4.76, log salt value 0.33, and acid value 0.33, and these two cancel. Log 1 is 0, therefore answer 4.76. Yes, answer 4.76. So this is a different type of question. There is a buffer solutions. Next, one more question based on the pH formula. Question number 133. Question number 133. To make solution pH equal to 12, solution pH equal to 12, the amount of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter solution, should be, means you have to find out mass of solute. pH is given, but remember base is given here, base. So even in last videos I told, if it is basic solution, then first you find out OH ion, then POH, finally pH. Therefore, for basic solution, pH plus POH equal to 14. POH equal to 14 minus pH value 12. It is 2. 14 minus 2 is 14 minus 12, 2. Then POH is 2. Therefore, OH ion 10 to the power minus 2. This is the molar summation. Yes, if base is given, write like this. This is a concentration, and this is nothing but normality. And there is a formula, normality equal to W into 1000 divided by equivalent mass into volume in ml. This is a formula. And this normality is nothing but OH ion concentration, and mass you have to find out 1000 by equal mass of NaOH equal to 40, and volume given 1 liter converts into ml, then also 1000. So these two cancel, and OH ion 10 raised to minus 2 into 40 equal to W. Therefore answer 40 by 100, 4 gram. 40 by 100 is, 1 by 0.4. 40 by 100 equal to 0.4. So this way also we can solve the questions based on the pH and OH ions. Next based on the solubility products. Solubility product problems. So 117. Question number 117. Calcium fluoride is given. Calcium fluoride. And its KSP value. 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 10. 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 10. Then precipitation of CaF to occur when? But they give different options. Here different values are given with respect to concentrations. But CaF2 we can write like this. In a solution form, there is an equilibrium. CaF2 reversible to Ca plus 2 and 2F minus. CaF2 reversible to Ca plus 2 and 2F minus. Then for 1 mole S, 2S. Then 2S equal to KSP equal to, there is a formula, they give KSP value, but when precipitation occur, see here, when ionic product exceeds solubility product, this is important line. When ionic product exceeds solubility product, then precipitation occur. Therefore, KSP formula for this equation, concentration of Ca plus 2 and F minus power 2, then or S into 2S square, then finally we get 4S cube formula, but that is not necessary. Using this formula, yes, I can say yes, ionic product and KSP value, but KSP value 1.7 10 raised to minus 10, but IP should be, ionic product value should be, yes, greater than this number. Therefore, first option 10 raised to minus 4, 10 raised to minus 4. See here, 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to minus 4 square, 10 raised to minus 12, but 10 raised to minus 12 less than 10 raised to minus 10. 10 raised to minus 12 less than 10 raised to minus 10, hence we cannot use option 1. But in case of option 2, 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 3. See here, 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 3 square, 10 raised to minus 8. But this 10 raised to minus 8 value greater than this over. So we get answer, there is in second. Similarly, you can see option number 3 and 4, you don't get answer 10 raised to minus 8 or more than this number. In those cases, you may get equal number or more less than this number. But the answer is 10 raised to minus 8. There is option 2 in this case. So this is a common and effect of solubility product. So other examples there is in other paper. Practice paper. Yes, same type. Question number 87. Question number 87 in practice paper. But in this problem, important, ionic product greater than solubility product, then only precipitation occur. So in practice paper, question number 87. Question number 87. In this question they give pH of saturated solution of calcium hydroxide is 9. pH of calcium hydroxide equal to 9. pH is given. About the base, solubility product of calcium hydroxide they are asking. KSP equal to how much? Yes. Again, you think pH of the base is given. So many times I told about this. If base is given, try to calculate OH ion or POH value. Then regarding KSP. So calcium hydroxide we can write in the reversible form. This is a weak base. Reversible to calcium ion plus 2 moles of OH ion. And for 1 mole of calcium hydroxide, yes, solubility is soluble product, 1 mole, 2 mole. Next, here I will show how to get OH, because here important OH ion concentration. Then pH value given, pH plus POH equal to 14 is standard formula. Then POH equal to 14 minus 9, pH value 9, then you get 5. If POH is 5, therefore OH ion concentration equal to 10 to the power minus 5. Means these are the OH ions. 2s or 2 OH ion concentration equal to 10 raised to minus 5. Then KSP formula for this equation, KSP equal to concentration of calcium ion, hydroxyl ion square. Next, find S and 2s both. So for 2s value, 2s OH ion concentration, 2 OH, and that value given as 10 raised to minus 5. 10 raised to minus 5. Next, then S equal to 10 raised to minus 5 by 2, or 1 OH equal to 10 raised to minus 5 by 2. This one. And for 1 mole of calcium ion, it's half of this one concentration. Therefore, KSP equal to four S cube. KSP equal to one more. We can write here. S value 10 raised to minus 5. Then KSP also written as here S into 2s square 4s cube. 4s cube. And here calcium are not necessary because calcium constant is not given. Hence we cannot write calcium 1 here. OH is given. Hence take S here. Therefore 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 by 2 cube. 4s AB2 type of 4s cube. Next, 4 into 1 by 8 2's cube into 10 raised to minus 15, 5 into 3. 4 ones are 4 twos are 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 15 KSP value, or 5 into 10 raised to minus 16. 5 into 10 raised to minus 16. Yes, answer 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 15. See, why you have not continued this one by using this formula? Because calcium ion concentration, if it is given in the question, we can continue. Calcium ion concentration is not given, hence we can write direct 4s cube formula and substitute, we get answer KSP. So this is another type of question using calcium hydroxide. But these are also appeared in recent year NEET papers, NEET 2019. Next. So question number 80. Question number 80. So here they asked here about the value of solubility product KSP. KSP equal to how much? And salt given barium sulfate. And they give solubility S. Solubility of barium sulfate in water is given as 2.42 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram per liter. Important here, gram per liter given, but usually solubility or concentration in terms of mole per liter. So you have to convert this value into mole per liter. Yes, in question they give molecular mass, given mass molecular mass equal to, given mass by molecular mass equal to mole. Hence 233 given barium sulfur mass, 2.42 by 233 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole per liter. Now you can see 242 into 10 raised to minus 2, 233. 242 by 233, we get answer 1.03 into 10 to the power minus 5. This is S solubility value. Solubility of barium sulfate. Then in case of AB type salt, BaSO4 salt, then Ksp equal to 2S square, because S into S, BaSO4 can give Ba2 plus SO4 2 minus. S gives S into S. S gives S into S. S gives S into S, therefore S square. In case of AB2 type, there what? S gives 2S, therefore 4S cube. Then here S square. 1.03 into 10 to the power minus 5 square. 1.03 into 10 to the minus 5 square. And 10 raised to minus 5 into 2, 10 raised to minus 10. See in the options, 10 raised to minus 10 given in only first option, and remaining option 10 raised to minus 12, minus 14, minus 18. Hence answer first 1.08 into 10 to the power minus 10. Yes, in this special case what they give gram per liter and convert into mole per liter, that is by dividing by its molecular mass. Then we get solubility or concentration of the ions, because all are 1, 1, 1. Hence we can take barium sulfate solubility or barium solubility or sulfate solubility. Next. Question number question number 71, that is in practice paper. Question number 71. Concentration of Ag plus ion concentration Ag plus ions in the solution is solubility product Ag to CrO4. Means Ag plus concentration given in the question and solubility product K. Means S is given, find out 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter, solubility product of, but it is a Ag to CrO4, 2 Ag plus and CrO4 2 minus 2S. Ksp equal to 4S cube. Problem on Ksp equal to 4S cube, because it is a A to B type salt, and you have to find out Ksp value. Next, see here 2S and S. And in this case, see what you have to find out. This one, and KSP equal to AZ plus square CrO4 2 minus AZ plus square CrO4 2 minus. Next, if only one S value is given, find out like this. But concentration is given, then for according to this equation, 2Az plus value 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 means for 1 mole, 2 mole of Az plus value, but 1 mole it's half. Therefore, CrO4 2 minus value 1.1 into 10 to the minus 4, because it is half of silver ions. Therefore, you take its half. Then, so in this question, yes, here Az plus concentration given like this. According to this equation, 2Az part this much, and for 1 mole this one, and substitute in KSP formula. If both are same values, then you can apply this. Otherwise, dial this one. And Az plus 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 square into 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 4. 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 12, 2.2 into 2.2, 4.4 into 1. This more than 4, 10 raised to minus 12. 10 raised to minus 12. First option 10 raised to minus 12. Third option 10 raised to minus 12. Second and fourth 10 raised to minus 11, 10 raised to minus 8. Therefore, option number 1 and 3 correct. 1 and 3 correct. Then out of 1 and 3, in first option 2.6, third option 5.3. Therefore, here I wrote 4.4 into 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 12. It is more than 2.2. In option number 1, 2.2. Option number 3, 5.3. Therefore, answer 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 12. So this time we can solve problems on common ion effect and solubility product. So this is about the topic ionic equilibrium, and also equilibrium topic over. So in the next videos we can start another unit, and that topic is some basic concepts of chemistry. So there we can study in detail regarding basic concept like mole concept, Avogadro number, and problems on those concepts. Okay, we'll continue in the next video.